In this video, we will discuss some basic combine functions. One of the main things that we will need to know how to do is how to adjust basic settings on the machine. As we can see in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, my current machine settings are displayed. If I would like to change a machine setting, there are several ways to do that. One of the easiest ways is I have shortcut buttons on my console that can be utilized. So we can see here we have my concave clearance button. If I would like to adjust that, simply push the button and we can see the setting on the top of the screen. Use the scroll wheel to adjust to the desired setting. We can see the spinning arrow designates that the machine is adjusting, and then once complete, it will go ahead and lock in and the spinning circle will go away. Another way we could adjust harvest settings is to simply come in and select harvest settings and then utilize the plus and minus arrows to adjust that setting. Once complete, I can simply close out. Spreader setting is another basic combine function. We can see on our custom run page, we can see the spreader icon on the screen. The S700 combines display our spreader width a little bit differently than previous combines. Previous combines simply display the RPMs that the spreaders were spinning. On an S700 combine, it displays the percentage width. If I would like to adjust my spread width, simply select spread, then I can utilize the width to increase or decrease. If I would like to have a wider spread pattern, simply hit the plus icon and you can see in the display there will give us a wider width. Once desired, you can simply close out. Another feature that we have, if we're spreading a little bit further on one side than the other, or if we're fighting the wind, we can angle the direction in order to get a more consistent, even spread pattern. Keep in mind, all this does is simply spin the right spreader faster and slow the left down to throw a little bit more to the right side, so we can see we're compensating by a unit of 2 to the right. We can see on our graph, as we change our direction, we can see the spread pattern move as well. Keep in mind, when you turn the machine around at the end of the field to head the other direction, you will need to swap the direction in order to maintain that spread width. You can select the swap icon here and it will change from left to right. You also have the ability to set up shortcut buttons on the hydro handle or shortcut buttons on the bottom of the screen to make the swap more accessible if you decide to use that feature. In this case, we're going to put it back in center position and go ahead and close out. Some other basic navigation tips. At the bottom of the screen, we can see hard icons to get to different functions of the monitor a little more quickly. These can be thought of as shortcut icons. So a very simple one that I might use could be the folding functions. So if I pull into the field and I'm ready to unfold my bin, I can simply hit the folding functions icon and I can see that my grain tank covers are currently fully closed. I will need to go ahead and unlock, and then I can use the unfold icon to unfold my bin. When ready, I can close out. So there's other icons here as well. If I would like to go into engine settings, I can simply press the engine shortcut If I would like to go into separator settings, I can press the separator. So the shortcut buttons are a very easy way to quickly get into our different areas of the screen.